Many a times, people ask me, what exactly are you doing with Infrastructure One Design School? And my answer usually is that we are in the field of mining. We mine young designer minds. Place that we work, there is the northern part of Karnataka. The awareness about various options available for a young student in the field of design are completely or were completely unknown before we began way back in the year 2007. We started with telling people about architecture because there is still a lot of communication gap with the society about what exactly architects do and what are the opportunities. So that was one part. And going further, as our country evolved into a major global economy, there is so much now available in the field of design. And when we see around and the lack of awareness, we thought that we must engage parents as well as students and the colleges and make them aware about the entire paradigm of design as a profession. We actually go to the students and parents and tell them about NID, about getting into SEED and doing a B design course, or about IITs and the product design available, the visual design, the fashion design, all these amazing fields that are available, the graphic design part, the animation, the filmmaking, and the kind of futuristic world profession that their kids can get into. So this is one part that we do. So we basically train these students right from their school level all the way up to their PU 1 and 2 level. We have various courses where we train them how to crack these examinations. We have structured program and very successful and effective programs of 1 year program, of a foundation program, crash courses, certification courses and things like that. And we are very happy that we have been absolutely successful in this endeavor over the last decade or so, wherein from very small villages and towns of North Karnataka, we have been able to send students to the IITs and NIDs and NIFTs, which is a very satisfying experience. Apart from that, nowadays everybody is talking about design thinking and need to have design thinking with every professional, especially in the field of engineering. It's not very easy, enough to just become an engineer. He has to be a very good designer's mind, so to become relevant in the highly competitive world today. So we have developed a very highly effective course wherein we work with their skills to open up their designing mind, the mind to think like a designer. Since we were always involved in various creative field where skill was one of the important factor in developing the creativity of the mind, we have developed this course which can be applied to an engineering college student to become very designers like thought process. So this is also what we do with. And apart from that, we are involved in creating an ecosystem where the entire society understands the importance of design and is willing to pay that little extra to come out with a proper solution to problems faced by the society, especially in terms of organizing things, designing things for a better management of the day-to-day solutions. That is how we are trying to do. We have an excellent team which has been developed over a period of time. We have amazing cooperation from many of the major educational institutes of this region. My special request to the parents especially to not really stop their kids from going into the design world just because we are a little unaware about it. So I welcome all of you to visit us, to contact us, so that we can actually help you in choosing the right career in the design.